Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the coefficient, and it's going to be the coefficient of variation. So the coefficient of variation is a statistical measure. It is a statistical measure, and this is of the relative dispersion and this is of data points, the relative dispersion of the data points, and this is in a data series around the mean. This is a data series around the mean. So it is done to measure the relative variability, to measure the relative variability, and it is also known to, it is aka, that is also known as the RSD, that is a relative standard deviation. So it is expressed as a percentage of mean, and its formulas, we will see them now. So the coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by mu into 100. So CV is equal to into 100. So here the sigma is equal to the standard deviation, and SBC is the standard deviation, and mu and x are nothing but is equal to the, or x, this is not divided, it's or, x is equal to the mean and x is equal to mean. So the coefficient of variation, if you see, it is nothing but the standard deviation into 100 divided by the mean. So CV usually gives the data into the performance of a test or a method. So it gives the performance of a test or a method, and the CV is of 5% is usually gives a general idea that the method is good in its performance. So 5% generally means that it is good in its performance, but a CV more than 10% gives an idea that the method is not very good. So if it is greater than 10%, it means it is not good.